Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants
And
Friday Cocktails.
we are back for Friday Night Cocktails. So tonight we are making a gin sour. Sours are, you can make sours in a lot of different iterations with different liquors, but it's balancing a sour, in this case lemon juice, with a sweet, in this case simple syrup. So really easy drink. It's and we'll have the recipe down below. You don't have to worry about breaking out your pad and pen, but we've got gin, we've got lemon juice. Now, because Katie and I are plant-based, most sours have that foamy top like you've seen. You don't have to use an egg white, so you can actually use Aquafaba. Aquafaba is the liquid that comes off of
Chickpeas.
garbanzo beans. Yep. And I promise this isn't going to taste like hummus. It really doesn't. It doesn't have a taste.
You can do amazing things with Aquafaba because it works just like egg white. Like it whips up. It can even, like if you do it long enough, it will stiffen up like meringue or for a mousse. So it's a pretty interesting ingredient for sure.
Yes, so we're going to do that. We're going to do that to give us our foamy texture. Then we've got our simple syrup to balance out the bitter or the sour from the lemon. And then we add a little bit of Angostura bitters on the top to make the drink pretty. And
even with the gin sour?
Yes, even with the gin sour. And then I'm going to express and discard a lemon peel, just to really punch up that the citrus. Okay. So Katie saying okay means she's ready for a drink.
Well, I don't have really a job to do other than to
sit here and look beautiful.
To taste them. So
let's
get to my part.
Right.
I like my part.
So 2 ounces. I'm making a double, obviously, because we're both going to have one. Tonight we're using Gordon's gin, which is
the Queen's favorite. Well,
the Queen.
It
was the Queen Elizabeth's favorite. And
How many of you have tasted of these?
17.
All right.
So we have 1 ounce, or in this case 2, because again we're making a double, of lemon. This is the Aquafaba, and we're doing a 1/2 ounce per cocktail. So I'm gonna pour out 1 ounce of that. And it's really, you can kind of imagine how when you pour it out, it's pretty viscous, almost like an egg white. So it's not surprising that it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. And then we've got 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. So we're gonna do 1.5 ounces, because again, this is for 2. Now, very important when you're making a sour with any kind of a foaming agent, you have to dry shake it. So we're gonna dry shake it for a decent amount of time just to hopefully get that emulsified. And that way you can hear my voice kind of really go up and down as I'm strenuously shaking this.
I'm just hoping that tin stays together.
I hit it extra hard, I promise.
Okay, because I don't have time to deep clean the kitchen.
I understand. So we're gonna crack that open.
Wow, clearly.
Already foamy,
yeah,
as you can see, so that's good. Then we're going to just add in another important thing.
2 rocks.
2 big rocks. You wanna do big rocks when you are doing a sour. And I'm shaking it a little less aggressively. While I'm doing this, my beautiful hostess is going to dump out the ice in our chilled glass. And that should be good. I'm gonna get that. And it is crazy foamy.
Double strain.
Yep. We're gonna double strain this. Oh, it looks so good.
It smells crisp.
Go there. 1 for my lady. I'm gonna top this one off. Look at that wash line.
Yeah.
And the drips on the counter.
I am noticing that.
Yeah, I'm sure you are.
Are you trying to double down on the drips?
Now, to finish things off.
Do you want to do the lemon first?
Oh, we should probably do that. So I'm gonna do 2 lemon peels, and we're just gonna do an express, and then I'm gonna have,
What do you want?
I wanna pull that out of the way. Now, this is the important part. So we're just going to do a drop, and a drop, and a drop, and a drop.
Yep.
We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4.
That thought works well for that, but that's right.
And then we come across with a little toothpick, and they look like hearts.
Yeah. All right.
So there you go. So we're gonna pause because these look beautiful, and we're gonna take a picture, and then we're gonna come right back and have a taste.
And you'll know we came right back because they'll still be pretty with little hearts on top.
We promise. See you in a minute.
I have waited.
I am ready to drink.
Oh, you switched them.
I gave you the one with more bitters.
Well, yeah, it's got
So,
more foam too.
We are ready to taste. These look spectacular.
Almost
Cheers.
too pretty to drink, but not.
The citrus from the lemon.
Ooh, it goes right here. I can click on you. But
Yes.
wow, maybe a little.
What do you think?
I don't think it needed the spritz.
Oh, of the lemon? I don't know.
It's so lemony.
I taste that lemon essence like in the foam. I
tasted it. It's just maybe a little more lemony than I would have done.
I don't know. I like it. I think the lemon and the sugar and that little addition of the bitters,
Well,
you don't have to make the fancy hearts like we did, but that little addition of the bitters on the foam adds a whole nother level of flavor that's really, really good. And again, the Aquafaba,
Yeah.
I mean, this is, that
it
literally,
totally foams up and then settles to the top. It's like watching a nitro beer. Like
yeah, it's just like an egg white. You don't.
you would not know. It does not taste like hummus. We love hummus, but I don't want cocktails to taste like it.
No,
And
I want that for my peanut
It's a
bread,
total
not my
perfect
glass.
replacement for
Yes.
egg whites in baking.
Knocks it out of the park.
As usual. I wouldn't expect anything less.
I appreciate the high expectations. Makes my crash and burns that much better.
Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope that you have a wonderful weekend. When you finish up your week, put your feet up and have whatever libation you like. And we will see you next Friday.
Be kind.
Eat pizza
With plants.
and have cocktails on Friday. See ya.